Hello everyone, welcome back to MJ Simplified channel. In this episode, we will learn three important SQL concepts: distinct, and or. This help us to remove duplicate values and apply multiple condition when filtering data from the tables. So now let's discuss about the distinct. What is distinct? Distinct is used to remove duplicate values. For example, if we want to see all unique departments in our employee table. So as we have already created our employee table in previous sessions, we will be doing practical by considering that employee table only. So here is the syntax for just seeing the distinct department from the employee table. So syntax is select distinct keyword and then column name on which you want to see the distinct values. Like here we want to see the distinct department. So syntax will be select distinct department from employee. So this query will show each department only once, even if multiple employee belongs to the same department. So let's move to the PG admin to see the practical by executing this query. So as I have already written this query here, so as the same thing, like you can see that select distinct from department from the employee tables. Let me execute this. As you can see, the four different departments are showing, whereas we have like 1,000 employee records inserted in our employee table. So let me show you that. So this will show all like 1,000 rows you can see here, right? So all the employees are returned here with their salary and department information. Here just we are seeing that distinct employee department. So for these 1,000 employees, all thousands are linked with these four departments only under this finance, sales, HR and IT. Now let's discuss about the AND condition. AND is used when we want multiple conditions to be true at the same time. For example, if we want employee in the IT department with salary greater than 1 lakh rupees. So here the syntax will be select a star from employee where employee department is equal to IT and employee salary is greater than 1 lakh. So this query will only show IT employees whose salary is above 1 lakh rupees. So let's move to the PG admin to see how this query will be have with our employee data. So let me go there. Let me execute this. Select a start from employee where employee department equal to IT and employee salary is greater than 1 lakh. Let me first execute this select a start from employee only. So as we are seeing this 1,000 records are coming. When we will be executing this, let me execute this only till employee department. It is giving like 150 250 records. 250 employees are linked with the IT department, and where if I will be adding and condition with the employee department equal to IT and the employee salary should be greater than 1 lakh, then the records it is fetching like 125 only, like 125 records, right? So by using this and we can add multiple condition here with the where clause where we are applying filtering with the records. Now let's discuss about the or condition. Or is used when either condition can be true, like either one of the conditions should be true and it will basically consider that. So or is used either when either condition can be true. For example, if we have given multiple condition like employee department equal to IT or employee salary is greater than 1 lakh, so in this case it will consider like both either employee department is IT or employee salary is greater than 1 lakh. So this query will show like all IT employee plus anyone with their salary greater than like 1 lakh rupees, even if they are in another department, still it will return. So let's see in the PG admin how it basically filter the records using these or conditions. Let me show you this. As I have already written this one, let me go here. As we have seen, right, this one was AND operator, this one was returning 125 records, and where if we have changed the AND to OR, and let's see it's we having actually this query. So here we can see that number of queries returning 625, means all the ITs. First it's considering or return all the employees which department is IT, or condition it is considered that plus other employees also which linked with the other department, but if their salary is greater than 1 lakh rupees. That's why you are seeing that all IT and other finance and sales employees, but their salary should be greater than 1 lakh. So now let's combine this and or together, right? So suppose we want all the employee who is linked with the IT department, or department and employee who is linked with the HR department. In this case, let me see which all department we have. We have IT and HR. So so we can combine and or together using brackets for clarity. For example, like select a star from employee where employee department equal to IT or employee department equal to HR, and employee salary is greater than 40,000 rupees. In this case, what will happen? This query show like employee from IT or employee from HR department whose salary is greater than 40,000. So we have just combined and or both with the same query while filtering the record. So let's see uh, how it behaves in our the PG admin while executing this query. So let's move to the PG admin. So as I have already written here, you can see that select a star from employee where employee department is equal to IT or employee department equal to HR. So it will consider the both department IT and HR where employee salary is greater than 40,000. Let me execute this. As you can see, the 500 records are coming and only the HR department and ID department employees will be there, and where salary is greater than 40,000. So we will change this number accordingly. It will like change the result also. If you let me show you, I just have changed to 1 lakh rupees. Let me see how many employees it is returning. 250 employees only. I can see that all are like more than 1 lakh rupees salary. Today we learned distinct and or. This is powerful keywords for filtering and refining data in PostgreSQL. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and comment on this video.